People can expect to see local produce in the Fairfax County farmers markets. We have strawberries now, we have tomatoes now, we have lots of fresh fruits and veggies and baked goods and meat. Our markets run from May 2nd, today, through November, and there are 11 locations throughout the county. By shopping the Fairfax County farmers markets, you're supporting locally grown produce. All of our vendors come from within a 125-mile radius, and many are actually within the Fairfax County boundaries itself. You'll always find fresh local produce, and everything is in season. We work with our volunteer market masters and with the community to try to respond to what the community wants in the farmers markets. So we hear that they want hummus, or we hear that they want salsa, or we hear that they really want a certified natural vendor. We reach out to the farmers that we have connections with and try to pull those into our markets. And when you come to the farmers markets, you're not just coming for the produce, although the produce is delicious. You're coming because you want to actually meet the farmer and have a face to the food and know where it's coming from. When we get new customers in the markets and they tell us how good our fresh tomatoes are and how crisp the corn is, it really blows away what they can find in the supermarkets. For more information, people can go to our website, which is fairfaxcounty.gov/parks/farmers markets. And on the website, we have a list of all of our 2012 vendors and the farmers market schedule with the days and times of all of our 11 locations.